Let me make a phone call.
Okay.
Hello? Just checking up on what time do I head home? Oh, now? Okay. I'll head home now. Alright, okay, bye. I head home.
Hello?
But why can't I make a phone call?
We'll never know.
Oh, I didn't want to do it, but I got too lonely. Had to call you up in the middle of the night.
It's not ringing! What?
Wait, did your mom pick it up?
What the heck? It missed a ring! It missed a ring! It like went.
Well, hey, we can.
Hello? I said the hello thing.
What?
There was someone.
Somebody actually answered.
Did not dial 555.
Huh?
Zelda.
I did dial 555. I just wanted to see what time do I head home. Oh, now? Okay. Alright, bye.
Wait, forgot to sneeze.